Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by using an administrator account so tools can make system changes. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC and choose File Run New Task. Type Explorer, EXE and press Enter to restore the shell process. This often returns the taskbar quickly. If Explorer restarts, make sure to observe whether icons and notification area reappear. Once done, you'll know whether the issue is a crashed shell or a deeper service/configuration problem, and you can proceed accordingly. If Explorer restarts, don't fix it, repair corrupted system files. Open PowerShell as administrator and run sfc/scano to detect file integrity problems. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. Meanwhile, verify related services. The user profile service and processes like shell experience host and start menu experience host must be running for the taskbar to load properly. After these repairs, reboot so restored components initialize. Make sure to watch for errors during scans so you know if manual replacement is needed. Finish by isolating profile issues. Create a new local user and sign in to see if the taskbar loads there. This confirms profile corruption. Use Settings Personalization taskbar to toggle problematic features and reset layout. This can resolve caught states. If problems persist, perform a system restore to a known good point or run an in-place upgrade repair to preserve files while repairing Windows. If nothing works, note one troubleshooting tip. Boot to safe mode and repeat scans. Safe mode narrows down third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.